Imagine your car driving itself, effortlessly merging into the freeway, gliding through traffic, parking itself while you relax. But what happens when that future arrives and you still have to watch it? With full self-driving, supervised, V14.1 from Tesla rolling out now, the promise of true autonomous driving is closer than ever. Is this the revolution we've waited for, or just another wave of hype hiding under the hood? Tesla has long marketed its FSD, full self-driving, as the bridge to autonomy. Now, with version 14.1, software build 2025, 32, 8.5 and beyond, Tesla says the system is smarter, smoother, and more capable than ever. Key new features: customized, speed profiles, including a new Sloth Mode for ultra-conservative driving, arrival, and parking options, driveway, garage, curb, built into the system, emergency vehicle interaction, improved navigation in blocked or detour scenarios. In essence, the car sees more, thinks faster, and acts more like a human driver. But let's dig deeper into how this works, and where it still falls short. At the core of FSD 14.1 is Tesla's vision-based neural network stack, tied to the Hardware 4, HW4 computing platform. Musk claims this is the second biggest step in Tesla's autonomy journey after V12. This hardware-software combo enables the car to interpret live video, detect debris, school buses, cut-ins, dynamic and static gates, and emergency vehicles, without relying purely on preloaded maps. The result: one tap, start self-driving from park. The car navigates your driveway, enters the garage, drives you on the highway, and parks at your destination. For some testers, that sequence has already been achieved. Yet there are hardware limitations. The update is exclusive to HW4 cars. Owners with HW3 have been excluded or delayed, raising questions about fairness and upgrade paths. So the pillar is there, a car that sees like a human and reacts like one, but the journey is still in progress. FSD 14.1 is packed with new features: arrival and parking modes, choose garage, driveway, curbside, lot, emergency vehicle interaction, car knows to pull over for fire trucks, ambulances, teasery official store, new Sloth speed profile, ultra-conservative behavior for safety-first drivers, improved real-time handling, road debris, school buses, gates, detours, updated UI, speed profiles and arrival options now easily accessible, automatic interior windshield residue detection and cleaning alerts for camera accuracy. These refinements give a taste of autonomy that feels more refined. But is it enough to trust without hands on the wheel? While Tesla touts full self-driving, the legal and practical reality is far more complex. The system is still supervised. A driver must be alert, hands-on, ready to intervene. This condition hasn't changed. Regulators are watching. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has opened investigations into FSD-equipped vehicles after multiple incidents, including running red lights and incorrect lane changes. This duality means, yes, it's more capable. But no, it's not yet autonomous driving in the true sense. The risk of overconfidence remains. A Reddit tester put it bluntly: "Been driving all night with the new FSD. It's more aggressive but still unsafe in complex scenarios." So we must ask, is FSD 14.1 the future of driving, or just the latest step in a long journey? Early adopters report impressive sequences: freeway driving, no interventions for extended miles, confident lane changes. However, others point out regressions: phantom braking, inability to handle some speed zones, unexpected behavior in construction zones. I love FSD, but V14 has really bummed me out. Coverage also shows that rollout remains limited. Most users have yet to receive V14.1. One Redditor stated, "Influencers haven't even gotten it yet." In short, real progress, but uneven availability and mixed feedback. The tech is promising, yet the proof remains partial. Autonomous tech always attracts scrutiny. Since FSD deployment began, multiple crashes and incidents led to investigations by regulators. Tesla's messaging complicates matters. While the system labels full self-driving, disclaimers indicate driver supervision is still required. Critics argue this creates confusion about risk and responsibility. Moreover, HW3 owners may feel left behind. Tesla has acknowledged HW3 may never fully support future autonomy without hardware upgrades. This raises ethical and commercial questions. Who pays for hardware upgrades? Is the future of driving tied to continuous cost? And how much risk is acceptable when the road is shared? Tesla's autonomy strategy places it in direct competition with players like Waymo, Cruise, and Mobileye. Yet Tesla relies primarily on a vision-only approach, cameras, while many others use LiDAR plus radar. With FSD 14.1, Tesla claims to be narrowing the gap. But the questions remain. Can it scale safely? Can the fleet operate unsupervised? Tesla's robotaxi service, in limited form, uses earlier versions. So the promotional messaging towards V14.1 is ambitious. The future of driving may not be about Tesla alone. It may be about ecosystem, regulation, infrastructure, and trust. But Tesla is betting big. If V14.X works, it could shift the paradigm. If it stumbles, the backlash could shape the industry. Elon Musk described V14 as feels sentient, raising expectations significantly. But hype and reality diverge. While there are impressive improvements, FSD 14.1 is still supervised, limited hardware, early rollout, and with some regression reports. In some cases, drivers say they might disable it until it matures. I'm deciding to turn it off, cancel my subscription, until an update comes. Thus the message, FSD 14.1 may be a milestone, but not the destination. The future of driving is still being built. If you own a Tesla with HW4, FSD 14.1 may bring tangible leaps. Smarter parking, emergency response, fewer interventions. But if you have HW3 or earlier, you may be excluded from full features, facing hardware upgrade pressure. If you're a driver in the US, it's wise to understand. The system still requires your attention. It may not yet handle every scenario perfectly. Full driverless autonomy remains future work. Yet, the advantage is clear. The promise of a car that drives for you, while you read, relax, or simply enjoy the ride. That's transformational. FSD 14.1 is not just an update, it's a statement. The age of autonomous supplemented driving has arrived. Is it the future of driving? Yes, partly. Is it mature and perfect? No, not yet. It's the bridge between human-driven and machine-driven mobility. The first chapter in a longer story. If you're intrigued by what's next, this is where you start watching. Don't forget to subscribe to MotoTech Homes for more cinematic, fact-driven tech and automotive insights. Comment below. Would you trust FSD 14.1 to drive you while you sleep? Because the future may drive itself, but for now, the driver still matters.